Hey everyone, it's Charlie with SEO Mechanic. I'm going to go over a quick tip today on how to tell if Google has indexed your website or not. This is useful if you just launched a website in the last couple of days and you wanted to see if Google had found it yet. This tip is actually kind of a Google trick. You may or may not have heard of it, but it's a site-specific search result. And it's very useful because it just focuses on Google's index for a specific website. And you can use it on any website you want. It's most effective if you're the publisher of a website and you want to see if it's gotten any traction and starting to pop up in search results. So it's easy to enable. You just go to any Google search window and you type in site colon and then the website of the URL you want to check out. For this specific instance, I'm going to use SEO Mechanic. I'll show you what it looks like. So this specific set of search results just revolves around SEO Mechanic. Google's showing us pretty much every page that they have indexed on our website within the Google search index. Again, our website's been online for a long time, but what this looks like to somebody that maybe just launched a website to use it as a determining factor of whether they've been indexed or not would look like this. So the website I'm using is a non-existent website to a domain name I have called hotlava.net, and I know that there's nothing about this on the internet because I own the domain name and I've never published anything. But if your website's brand new and Google has not indexed it yet, even the homepage, you would get the same results. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely nothing. So if you're in the situation where you put in your website URL and you get a search result page like this, you have a couple of different options. The first one actually is displayed in the very top of the search result. It says try Google Search Console, and that is the best tip. If you're in this situation where you put in your URL to your website and you come up with nothing, you do want to make your first trip to Google Search Console. This is something I'll do in another video, but Google Search Console is kind of where you go to connect your website with Google. Again, it's not something that is going to mean you're going to see instantaneous search results or start popping up for that keyword you want to, but it gives you that introduction to Google, and they will start to matriculate your website into search results. So this is the next place to go. So if you're in a position where you wanted to see if your website was indexed, you went through the process, you put in your URL and it came out blank, make sure to visit Google Search Console and connect your website, and I'll go over that in a future video. Again, the search result that I did to pull up this is it's called a site-specific search result. All right, guys, if you have any questions, just visit me at SEO Mechanic and get in touch. And I appreciate your time, and I'll post another video soon with SEO tips.